This video I will explain cross-browser testing, tools and tips for developers. What is cross-browser testing? When developers build a website or web application, they want it look and work the same for everyone. But people use different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge, and different devices like laptops, tablets and phones. Sometimes a website may look perfect in one browser but broken or different in another browser. Cross-browser testing means checking your website across different browsers and different devices to make sure it looks correct, works correctly, and runs smoothly for all users. Why cross-browser testing is important? Users have choices. Not everyone uses the same browser. Consistent experience. Your site should look professional everywhere. Fewer bugs. Testing prevents issues like broken layouts or features. Better reach. More users can access your site without problems. Now we will see some popular tools that help developers to test without needing every device or browser installed. First one is BrowserStack. Using that, you can test on many browsers and devices in the cloud. Second one is Sauce Labs. Similar to BrowserStack, great for automation and mobile testing. Third one is LambdaTest. Easy to use cloud platform for quick browser checks. Fourth one is cross-browser testing by SmartBeer. Another option for live and automated testing. The last one is local testing. Developers can also install multiple browsers on their own computer to test manually. Now we will see the tips for beginners. You have to start with the most popular browsers: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge. Don't forget mobile devices. Many people browse on phones, test both Android and iOS. You have to check basic features first: buttons, forms, menus, and navigation. You have to focus on layout issues. Make sure text, images, and design looks correct. You have to use responsive design. Your website should adjust properly on small and large screens. You have to automate when possible. If your site is big, use automated tools to save time. You have to keep updating test. Every browser updates often, so test regularly. Imagine you build an online shop application. In Chrome, the buy now button looks fine. In Safari, the button is cut off. In Firefox, the payment form doesn't load properly. Without cross-browser testing, you would not notice these issues, and customers might leave your site. Now we will see the summary. Cross-browser testing means checking your website on different browsers and devices to make sure it looks good and works well for everyone. You have to use tools like BrowserStack, Sauce Labs, or LambdaTest to make testing easier. You have to always check popular browsers and mobile devices. Fixing issues early ensures your site is professional, consistent, and user friendly.